This is one of the most difficult questions I've seen on stationary points in year 1 math. So it tells you that this function h has a stationary value when t is alpha. What that means is when you differentiate this whole function and substitute t as alpha, that whole function will equal 0. So dh over dt equals 0 when t is alpha. To start with, I replaced root t with t to the power of a half, and I focused on expanding out this bracket to get to this situation here before simplifying each term like so. Now that it's in this format, we can find dh by dt by differentiating this with respect to t. Now when differentiating all of this, you get to this here, and you can say that dh by dt, which is all of this, is equal to 0 when t is equal to alpha. To help with, I'm going to replace t to the minus a half with just t to the power positive half on the denominator. Now that I've put t equals alpha into dh by dt, we can say that all of this is equal to 0. By the way, 5 over 4 is just 1 over 8, which is why I just replace this as 1 over 8. From here, we're almost at the answer. You can multiply every term by alpha to the power of a half to get rid of this denominator, get to this format, and then realize that when you multiply by 40 and rearrange, you get to what the answer is actually asking you to get to.